Hi there, students. Spouse. Okay, spouse is a noun, a countable noun. Your spouse is the person that you are married to. It's a legal term, yeah? A person's husband or wives. Does your spouse work at home, or do they go out to work, or do they work looking after children? Your better half, your spouse, your partner, and this is the meaning of the word spouse. Okay, so a spouse, the person that you're married to, your companion, the person that you live with is effectively your spouse. I think more technically, spouse is your partner in marriage. I think, spouse. I'm wondering as to whether you have to be married or not. I guess your common law husband is your spouse. It's your partner in marriage. It's the person you live with, you spend your life with. Okay, so I think this is quite a formal word. I think I would probably give spouse a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. I think I would use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. I think, semi-formal conversation as well, but I think I would probably use husband, wife, partner, life partner, something like that. Spouse is a good word though, because it works for both men and women, and therefore it's at least politically correct. You should always treat your spouse with respect. Okay. I think there's a very dated use of this to spouse, meaning to as a verb, meaning to marry, but I don't think people would use that nowadays. Okay, so your spouse, your better half, your partner, your the person who lives with you, and this is the idea of a spouse. Let's see. As to origin, it comes from épouse in French, meaning I think a husband. Old French, espouse, from Latin sponsus, meaning a bridegroom. And sponsa, a bride. Spondeo, to vow, to pledge. From Indo-European spend. I think this is probably linked to the word to sponsor as well. Okay, so I guess you could say an ex-spouse as well. He has 3 ex-spouses. Very often British slang, they say her indoors. Or maybe she could say him indoors. I think nowadays that would be perfectly acceptable. Okay, so a spouse, you're the person you spend your life with, the person you're married to. I don't think you need a formal legal document for that, though. So I think that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Spouse, spouse.